Papa, please look at the story that I have drawn. The sweet little girl requests his father with an expectation of praise, guidance, and attention. Go to your mother. I do not have time for this. Rohit replies as he is browsing the social media news feeds of a money laundering case. Rohit reads about the money laundering case of a business tycoon and how his own booming empire has now become ruins. Throughout the day, Rohit thinks about how evil the person is and how much money he has stolen from the banks and the people of the country. He scolds the whole socio-political system. He scolds the lameness of current economy, and he also scolds his bold and honest living. He goes on collecting more information about the issues from various sources, from newspapers, YouTube feeds, social media feeds, and so on. He becomes extremely irritated. He blows up things out of proportion in his office and in family matters. He becomes a Wikipedia of information about the case. Sometimes he feels he can guide the detective agencies as they seem to be doing mistakes. He can correct the country's system and people's wrong belief about the case. Given the mildest opportunity, he does public speaking about the case with intellectual notes. He feels like Sherlock Holmes while collecting the news and the details about the case. He feels like Winston Churchill while speaking about the facts on the case. And he feels like a garbage container when it comes to his office works and family talks. Rohit's loss of productivity in his office life and for his family can be directly tied with these unproductive thoughts.